Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're doing well. Today, got another quick tutorial for you on how to view your archived chat history in ChatGPT. Really simple. You got all your chats on the left. Click on your profile, click on settings. Then we scroll down to data controls. Click on that and you can see your archive chats in the middle here. So to manage them, click on that tab. You can see the archive chats that you have. From here, you can unarchive the conversation or send them to the bin. So really simple, as you can see, or you can even click on archive all chats if you wanted to archive them all and save them for later. Thanks for listening. Hope that was helpful. I will speak to you again soon. Give us a like and a subscribe.